Welcome to another video of Indiana Railfan Kid. Norfolk Southern's track and trace shut down. This video is about the Norfolk Southern maintenance equipment. We got this one for the NS. Over there's the tamper, which is my favorite kind. And we got others. This one brings in spikes. This one, I think it brings in the anchors. This one right here is the ballast regular. And we head this way, where we see more maintenance equipment. This one is the one. We're going to show you that later. We got this one. It helps for the ties, just like a tamper. And another one. And there's a trailer with it. Well, right behind it. We have to go around here next. So, hold on for a couple seconds. And now we're back. This is the tamper, which is my favorite kind of maintenance vehicle. It could level the ballast under the ties. And it has a lot of cylinders. Over there we have a fuel truck. And there's a cat there. We got some Norfolk Southern maintenance trucks. I know. A train cleaner. I'll give you more close. I know. We're going to keep going this way. Head this way. So good. The cleaner. This is the back bay of the cleaner. It's just like the ballast regular, and there's other maintenance vehicles. This has two tampers right here. One right here and another one over there. They have these sets of wheels in front of the tamper. We're going to be back very soon. But first, before we come back again, I'm going to tell you about this Norfolk Southern rail truck. It's operated to haul some a lot of steel in case there's anything wrong with the tracks. Tomorrow we're going to see CSX trucks on CSX Kentucky subdivision. And we keep heading this way. There's more equipment. And we see the same vehicles again, including the same trailer behind the tamper. These other vehicles, the spike put in, and even anchor, also the same thing, ballast regular, and we got another vehicles over here and some rail trucks. The ballast regular, they have these plows right here that can get the ballast away from the tracks after the tamper. And they have these blades to engage the ballast to the side of the tracks. And there's more midway equipment down there. We're going to see very soon. At the other side of the ballast regular, It's like this, just like the cleaner. And we got another made-to-wear equipment right here. We got a small bucket right here, and some more Norfolk Southern rail trucks. And we have another trailer. This is the same one that back over there. Hang on. And we got another one over there. And we have two more. These are like they to take out or put in. I think they take out the spikes, I think. And that's all for today. See you soon.